Hello students, today I am taking a topic stereoisomers. As you know, stereoisomers comes in coordination compound and this is the part of class 12th chemistry chapter 9. So stereoisomer is a part of isomers of coordination compound. Before that we have already discussed isomers are of two types, structural isomers and stereoisomers. Structural isomer, further they are classified in linkage isomers, ionic isomers, solvent isomers and coordination isomers. But here I am taking a new topic, stereoisomers. Actually, what are stereoisomers? Means the isomers which have same chemical formula but their spatial arrangement are different, means their ligand specify in different direction and they represent different kind of geometrical structure like square planar, tetrahedral, octahedral, such type. So here I am defining that stereoisomer. They are classified into two parts, geometrical isomerase and optical isomerase. So first I am taking geometrical isomerase. What are geometrical isomerase? Just like here written, same formula but different geometric arrangement. Such isomers are called geometrical isomer. They are further classified into two types, cis isomers and trans isomers. For example, here I am taking a PTNH3 whole twice Cl2. Actually the name of this coordination compound is diamine dichloridoplatinum second. But how can we arrange them in the geometrical form? Just like if we write platinum at a central metal and NH3 in one plane, Cl in another plane. So this is called as a cis arrangement. And what is the name of this compound? Cis diamine dichlorido and platinum second. If we change the position of amine and chlorine, so that position is also called as a trans. Why this is called trans? Because no one is in the plane or in any same direction. So the name of this compound will be trans. So in place of cis we will write a trans diamine dichlorido platinum second. Okay, I think it is clear. Now I am taking the another example. For example, cobalt tetraamine chloride. Okay, so if I arrange this molecule or coordination compound in such form cis, so where amine in one direction, chlorine in another direction. So the name of this compound will be cis tetraamine dichlorido and cobalt. Okay. So that if we arrange the chlorine in opposite direction, so this is called as a transposition. What is called as a transposition? And the name of this compound will be tetraamine dichlorido platinum 2. Students, you must keep this in mind. They also show the some spatial arrangement like MX2L2. If we following such kind of formula, PTNH3 to Cl2, so such coordination compound are also make a shape. This is called the square planar shape. And another example I am taking CONH3 4Cl2. So this is following a one formula MX2L4, means it will form octahedral position. So here are this the definition for that. Okay. Okay students, so there are some another example of geometrical isomers, just like here I am taking COCl2 En whole 2. What is En? En is a bide ligand, didenate ligand. This is also known ethylene diamine, 1,2-diene. So different name. So how can we write in geometric form this structure? We can write in the. So here En is taking by two ligands. There are two donor ligands by the En and chlorine 1. So this form is called as a cis form. Or when we arrange the chlorine at the opposite direction, so this is known as the trans form. What will be the IUPAC name of such compound? For example, if I writing for cis, we will write here 1 2, so we will write a 2. So base 1 2 diamine dichlorido cobalt, or same here will write trans bis 1,2-diamine dichloride and cobalt. Another example, here I am taking CONH3 thrice NO2 and 3. Here 3 ligands are from amine and 3 ligands are from nitride group. So when we arrange them in a geometrical form, if the 3 ligands of same ligands, they are coming in adjacent direction, same direction, so this position is called facial isomers. Okay. Okay, so such type arrangement is called facial isomers, because all the ligands in facing in the same direction. This is called adjacent arrangement of the ligand. When we change the position of ligand in opposite direction, so here no one ligands are in the same planes or adjacent planes in 3 directions. So such isomers are called meridional isomers. So we have to write the meridional or facial. Facial we will write as a FAC and meridional we write as a Mark-Orson. So these are the geometrical isomers. We have discussed different type of geometrical isomer with example. These are 2 types, cis and trans. Okay, so students, now I am taking next isomer, that is optical isomer. Geometrical isomer we have already discussed, and now optical isomer. The name optical generally defined when any isomer or any coordination compound we put in front of mirror image. So generally it show the opposite image. So such coordination compound which show the opposite image of any given coordination compound, such compound are called optically active. Or we can say when a coordination compound rotate the plane polarized light in different direction like dextro position or levo position, such compound are also called optical isomers. So here we have written optical isomers are mirror images. Actually these are the mirror images which cannot superimpose on one another are called enantiomers. They are also called chiral compound. Chiral compound. Okay. Why they are called chiral compound? Because when we put in the mirror image, they show the different direction. Just like for example, we put upon right hand in the mirror, it show the left hand. So same, some molecules when we see in the mirror, they show their ligand position in different direction. So they are divided into 2 parts, dextro isomers and levo optical isomers. Dextro and levo we generally defined by the spatial arrangement. For example, here I am taking COEN3, tri 1,2-diamine या इसको trace 1,2-diamine cobalt structure. First structure when we arrange in the same plane, this is called as a direction. Dextro position, original position. When we see in the mirror, this position will go in that direction. So that is called levo position. So before writing the name, we will write the dextro and levo. So we will write dextro trace 1,2-diamine cobalt third and levo trace 1,2-diamine cobalt third. Okay, here one example we can also write like just this. It will also form as a dextro and levo position. So optical isomers were very simple. You generally draw the structure by different taking the example. So here it is. Okay, if you have any doubt, so please write in the comment. I will try to solve them. Okay, thank you.